Hello everyone, today we will compare Tradelle and Zendrop, two popular dropshipping platforms in the world. So Tradelle is a well-established platform known for its comprehensive suite of service tailored to dropshipping businesses, while Zendrop is another prominent player in the dropshipping scene that help business scale quickly and efficiently. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Tradle and Zendrop, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the features comparison, and as you can see, when it comes to product sourcing, Tradle have access to various catalogs including AliExpress, filter products based on sales, volume, cost, and performance indicators, while Zendrop has thousands of high-quality products from US-based supplier. When it comes to ease of use, Tradle is a user-friendly with a learning curve and slow assistant response times. And when it comes to Zendrop, they have powerful automation capabilities for a seamless experience. And when we talk about automation, Tradle has a inventory management and fulfillment processes, while Zendrop has streamlined automation for order tracking and importing. So when it comes to another features, which is branding and customization, Tradle has advanced product indicators for trend analysis, while Zendrop has custom branding and thank you notes for packaging. And when it comes to integration, Tradle is not specified, but we all know they are integrated with AliExpress and Shopify if you go to the website. And when it comes to Zendrop, they also integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. So when it comes to unique selling points, Tradle has large product database and trend analysis tool, while Zendrop has subscription box and bundling options and rapid production and delivery times. So this is it for the key features of comparison for both platforms. So now let's go directly to the pricing. And as you can see, when it comes to free trial, Tradle has a 7-day free trial for their features. And when it comes to Zendrop, they offer 30-day free trial for their premium features. So yeah, that's it. So when it comes to a monthly plan, Tradle offers their premium plan for $39.99 per month, while Zendrop has two premium plan with different prices. So $49 per month for Pro Premium plan and $79 for Plus Premium plan. So yeah, that's it for the monthly plan. So when it comes to yearly plan, Tradle will decrease their prices to $29.99 per month, which is 33% off of the monthly plan. And when it comes to Zendrop, they don't have a yearly plan but only monthly plan. So yeah, so when it comes to money back guarantee, both platforms offered money back guarantee for the users. So that's it for the pricings. Now let's go to the customer and support. And as you can see, when it comes to their availability, Tradle have 24/7 live chat, while Zendrop is the same. They have 24/7 customer support. And when it comes to response times, Tradle can vary, so sometimes slow, sometimes fast. And when it comes to Zendrop, their response times is not yet specified. And when it comes to support channels, Tradle have email, live chat, and fax section, while Zendrop also have email and live chat, but fax section. And when it comes to being a dedicated team, both platforms is, yeah, very dedicated. So now we are done with the key features, the pricing, and additional features of the both platforms. So now let's talk about the pros and cons, and let's start by discussing the Tradle pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, they have comprehensive product and research tool. Tradle offers automated order fulfillment. They have Shopify and AliExpress integration for easy store management. They have expert support team available, and their platform is reliable and affordable. We all know that. And they have a large product database and trend analysis tool. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Tradle has, users need a learning curve before they can fully use the Tradle platform. And also the customer support has slow response times for assistance, which is quite bad. And yeah, that's it. That's the only cons I can see for Tradelle. So now let's go to the Zendrop pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, they have a fast shipping times of 10 to 12 days on average, or 7 to 15 days. They offers automated order fulfillment and tracking. They also got 24/7 customer support. They got over 500,000 US products. They have a good branding options and great return policy. They have a great product sourcing service, and lastly, the users can have an ability to create subscription boxes. So that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Zendrop most useful features only available on the Pro and Plus plan. So you definitely need to purchase a premium plan. And also, they have a relatively high product and plan prices compared to Tradell. So we all know that. And also, the custom packaging and private labeling require MOQ. And lastly, users cannot bulk import products to their stores. So yeah, that's it for the Zendrop and Tradell pros and cons. Now let's discuss which platform fits the best to you, and let's start that by discussing who should choose Tradell. And as you can see, Tradell is referable for those who value comprehensive product research tools to find game-changing products for their dropshipping businesses. Perfect for entrepreneurs looking for an all-in-one platform that includes automated order fulfillment and Shopify integration. They perfect for dropshippers who prefer having expert support and platform known for reliability and affordability. Perfect for businesses that want access to a large product database and advanced trend analysis tools to stay ahead of the competition. And lastly, for users who are willing to invest time in learning to use the platform effectively and can manage with slower assistance response time. So, if you have all of this quality, I bet that the Tradle is best fit for you. So, that's it. So, now let's discuss who should choose Zendrop. So Zendrop is referable for someone or for dropshippers who prioritize fast and reliable shipping to their customers with an average delivery times of 7 to 15 days to most countries. For those who want to sell high quality and curated products from a catalog that includes over 500,000 US products. For individuals seeking dedicated customer support and service with 24/7 customer support availability. For entrepreneurs who want to convenience of managing their store with ease and access to features like subscription boxes and product sourcing service. And lastly, for businesses looking for branding option and great return policy to enhance their customer shopping experience. So if you have all of this quality, I recommend that you choose Zendrop rather than Tradle. And yeah, that's it. So in the conclusion, after diving into the details of Tradle versus Zendrop, it's evident that both platforms have their merits depending on your specific business needs and preferences. So whether you are a newcomer to the dropshipping scene or a seasoned entrepreneur looking to streamline your operation, there's a solution out there for you. So now it's time for you to take action, evaluate your business requirements, weigh the pros and cons discussed in this video, and make an informed decision about which platform aligns best with your goals. And make sure that don't hesitate to explore further and test out free trials if available. And ultimately, take the leap to propel your dropshipping venture to a new height. So, with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option for you. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one.